YouTube users. This is a Haro XO bike check. Alright, this is my bike, and we're going to be checking it out. Alright, that's the Odyssey rims, big bolt, Haro pedals, stolen pivotal seat, not sealed redline cranks, a Sunday seat clamp. That thing's really nice. Odyssey front rim. Oh, I mean, sorry. Both these rims are Alienation. Big bolt, both. Haro front handlebars. Tektro brake set. Little voodoo sticker there. Hold on, let me flip it around. Don't exit the video. Hold on. This side we got the Sunday chain, a Redline 38 tooth sprocket. What is it? A Fusion headset, Haro grips, and here's the Intense that I just got. Okay, pretty nice. I don't know what kind of sprocket it's got on it. Yep, but that's Intense. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll send you some feedback or something like that. Comment, and please don't be gay and put like a stupid comment. So, alright, bye YouTube.